Serial number 14, Subhadra Kumari versus the State of Bihar for the appellant Sri Prashant Sinha.
My Lord, this appeal is directed against the order dated 21st of August 2018 passed by the learned single judge. My Lord, prior to proceed on the merits of the case, my Lord, I would like to point out, my Lord, that the learned single judge has not recorded the facts in the correct manner, my Lord. The facts of the respondents have been recorded in my name, my Lord, and on that very ground the appeal has been rejected. So, first of all, my Lord, I would like to place the facts of the case, my Lord. My Lord,
Your mother was an A&M.
No. It was the case of the private respondent, my Lord. If your Lordship will kindly see the order of the district magistrate, my Lord, which is under challenge. So I would show your Lordship's annexure 1, page 32, running page 32 of the writ application. My Lord, if your Lordship will kindly see, प्रस्तुत वाद माननीय उच्च न्यायालय में दायर CWJC संख्या 5034 में पारित आदेश दिनांक 12/11/9 में दिए गए निर्देश के आलोक में श्रीमती संगीता कुमारी पति चौधरी सचदान बादल उर्फ वीरमणि देवी ग्राम सैदी पोस्ट मई फरीदा थाना रहुई जिला नालंदा द्वारा समर्पित अभ्यावेदन के आधार पर प्रारंभ किया गया है. सो इट वाज एन अपील इंस्टीट्यूटेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द application made by the private respondent, and then your lordship will kindly come to running page 34. My Lord, I am placing the.
What happened to this order?
My Lord,
what was the order of the district magistrate?
The order of the district magistrate was that the appeal of the private respondent was rejected, but at the same time, the district magistrate has held, my Lord, that my selection was also wrong because subsequent to that, the Armed Sabha was held without any guidelines from the higher officials. My Lord, I am here to show to your Lordships, my Lord, that in terms of the guidelines, there was no requirement of seeking any guidelines.
Please come to page 70. स्थानीय मुखिया द्वारा गलत तरीके से पुनः आम सभा का आयोजन करते हुए सो एंड सो का चयन किया गया जो नियमानुकूल नहीं है.
यस.
ऑल्दो चयन समिति को चाहिए था कि 15/11/4 को चयन दोषपूर्ण होने के कारण वरीय पदाधिकारी को अवगत कराते हुए मार्गदर्शन की मांग की जानी चाहिए थी. नवीन प्रक्रिया अपनाकर चयन किया जाना चाहिए था, किंतु मनमानी ढंग से चयन किया गया जो सर्वथा अनुचित है और स्थापित प्रक्रिया का उल्लंघन है. साथ ही now this is important, in the merit list the other persons were also above you.
Yes.
How come you got this?
Yes, my Lord. My Lord, that I have explained, my Lord. As far as respondent number 10 is concerned, my Lord, she was not eligible to be appointed on various grounds, my Lord. She has not challenged this order. The order of the district magistrate or the commissioner, she has not challenged. She has accepted the order. Her appeal has been rejected. Now, my Lord, second position was one Rekha Kumari.
When were you appointed? When were you appointed?
My Lord, I was appointed in the year 2004, my Lord.
What is the date of termination?
The date of termination is...
cancellation of appointment?
It was by way of annexure 1, page 14, my Lord. It is dated 25th of September 2010.
Cancellation is with reference to any appeal?
Yes, the appeal preferred by the respondent number 10, my Lord.
What is the date of filing appeal by the respondent number 10?
Where is the order of the High Court? The 5034 of 2005. She preferred in time.
My Lord, it is at annexure 7, page 56
7
of the writ application.
Annexure 7. Where is the merit list?
My Lord, the merit list
of that center.
My Lord, if your Lordship will kindly come to, my Lord, page 54, running page 54. This is the proceeding of the Armed Sabha, my Lord, in which I was appointed.
Page 54.
It contains the merit list.
Ignored.
It says, my Lord.
Where is the merit list?
It is the merit list is there, my Lord, in that Armed Sabha. In Arm Sabha proceeding, it has been recorded, my lord.
Which is the first page?
At page 54, my lord, it starts from.
Page 51.
Yes, it starts from page 50, my lord, annexure 6.
So Sangeeta Kumari was chosen earlier.
She was not chosen earlier, my lord. She was not issued with
Okay,
any.
what is the marks of this Priyanka Kumari?
Priyanka Kumari was higher than me, my lord, but she was also not eligible to be appointed because her father-in-law was an assistant teacher.
Where is the merit list?
Merit list, my lord, I couldn't get, but it is an admitted position, my lord, that I was on the 4th position.
Our mother-in-law is ANM, one thing. Which are the other road?
The other ground is that she is a scheduled caste and the central was for
For that, here is the guideline that mother-in-law related person should not be in government service.
I think the guideline is that
There must be a clause.
yes, a clause are there. Where is that Niyamavali?
That Niyamavali, your lordship, says at annexure 2, page 39 of the writ application, my lord.
Page?
Page 39, running page 39, my lord.
Court master sir.
Annexure 2. This is the guidelines of 2001, my lord.
Which is the relevant clause? Which
My lord,
applies-
the relevant clause is, my lord, if your lordship will kindly come to page 40.
No, is there any clause that candidate relative should not be in government service or something like that? Is there any prohibition? Because your mother-in-law was ANM. That is one of the ground.
No, my mother-in-law, actually, my lord, that fact has wrongly been recorded. The mother-in-law of respondent number 10 was working as ANM.
Then he
Actually-
may file review, my lord, for this. He may file review for if
actually,
any.
actually, the learned single judge has recorded the fact of respondent number
No,
10.
your appointment has been cancelled on the ground that more merited persons were.
My selection has been cancelled by the district magistrate on the ground that subsequent Aam Sabha was not held without taking his guidelines.
Not only guideline, but you were chosen ignoring the other meritorious.
My lord, but those persons, my lord, didn't
Whether
approach
it
my
was
lord because
Niyamakul or not, whether after one person has been removed, first Aam Sabha should have been done after the approval of the district magistrate and the new applicant should have been chosen or from a list X should be chosen. What is the Niyamavali?
my lord, paragraph 4 of my appeal clearly states, my lord,
He was earlier selected.
She was in the list.
Petitioner was selected for the first time.
Petitioner was in the list, selected for the fifth of February.
Correct.
Yes. That field of list was
The petitioner was he is the first person to be appointed. His appointment of question. There is no assessment by AMSA.
just picked up.
No.
Where is their
we want to
appointment?
see the
Where is their
earlier-
appointment letter? Where is the earlier Ram Sabha merit list? Pursuant to the applications invited, a merit list must have been prepared. Whereafter Sangeeta Kumari, respondent number 10, was
my lord,
appointed.
that merit list I am not in position of, my lord. But I have stated in para 4 of my memo of appeal, my lord, that my position was serial number 4, my lord.
No, first 1, 2, 3. Why they are not? Their names have been ignored.
My lord,
What is
my
the
lord,
reason?
I have stated that, my lord. The Rekha Kumari was at serial number 2, but she was not eligible to be appointed because she is not a resident of Gram Panchayat. Now, my lord, respondent number 11, namely Priyanka Kumari, appeared at serial number 3, but she was also not.
This is your assessment. How merit in merit list her number was there?
State Council,
Rekha Kumari was at serial number 1, my lord.
what is the reason
And
for?
so, moreover, my lord, the
What is
petitioner.
the reason for ignoring 1, 2, 3? Merit list.
I have no merit list, my lord, but and the copy of the writ petition is also not available to us, my lord.
No, appointing authority is CDPO.
Yeah, he decides.
No, correct, but the records, the custodian of the records is CDPO or district program officer. Who is the appointing authority?
She can file the counter.
No. We'll ask them to furnish that particular document.
Have you stated anything, have they stated anything in the counter affidavit in the writ petition that by the names of more merited CL number 1, 2, 3 names have been ignored?
And my lord,
Where is the earlier order of the High Court? 2005, 2010 order, 9 order?
In this matter, my lord.
Here is the lady
Is it first place?
graduate who was ignored.
Graduate.
She is graduate. And this is only metric. And the merit is there, she is intermediate. This lady is only a metric. There is a graduate here.
Otherwise, what is
My lord, in paragraph 9, they have stated about
Qualification?
that Rekha Kumari was placed at serial number 1 of the merit list, having highest qualification, but ignoring the said fact and provision of law. The petitioner was selected in general meeting dated 16/12/2004 by the selection committee presided over by the local mukhya.
before us? Rightly they are correct. No, is there any guidelines that only metric qualified person should have?
No.
There is no problem.
Was the criteria now?
What about is she general category?
No, Vishal, all of them were category.
Same category. Why they? What is that name? You
Rekha
asked
Kumari.
why she was not chosen?
What do you have to say about this Rekha Kumari?
My lord, Rekha Kumari was not a resident of that panchayat, my lord. That I have
Where
specifically.
it has been recorded. How do you say that? It has not been recorded. She is in the merit list at number 1.
My lord, she is in the merit list, my lord. But a person may apply, but her eligibility for being appointed is to be considered by the Am Sabha, my lord.
No, where is such a recording that she is not resident of that particular area?
What they have done, she का पद के लिए की है रेखा कुमारी का किया जाना चाहिए but the आम सभा unanimous decision taken to appoint Susan. How can they ignore take unanimous decision?
What is the material to show that she is not resident of that
My
particular?
lord, at page 54, my lord, if your lordship will kindly come to see the proceeding of the Am Sabha.
It says that unanimous decision was
Yes,
taken to
yes,
appoint you.
but it has not been
Ignoring
recorded
the
that
claim
she
of
is
a
not a
graduate lady.
resident of the Gram Panchayat.
Alright,
They
show
have-
me the document that she is not a resident of that particular Anganwadi ward or something.
My lord, for that purpose, my lord.
Then you can't blindly make statement.
This statement shows that irregularity was committed at that point. That they took a unanimous decision to ignore.
My lord, but Rekha Kumari never approached this selection
That
process,
is-
never
that-
challenged this
that-
selection
that
process. my
Cannot,
lord.
you
She
cannot
may,
ignore
she may
her
not
right.
be having access to this document.
Yes,
She thought you are more merited.
you have not. The Am Sabha has not stated any reason. Only that unanimous decision was taken to appoint.
Why your name has been picked up, even though you are lesser merited than the Shashi
And
Kumari?
only metric. Even Pratibha Devi is intermediate.
My lord, on that regard, my lord, may I show to your lordship the guideline? The guidelines say that the selection is to be made on the basis of the resolution of the Am
We have
Sabha.
understood that metric
And
is the
my lord,
criteria.
merit list, as far as merit list is concerned, my lord, if they are sticking to that.
Because beside metric she had intermediate and graduation degree, that's why she was put above you.
And
She can impart better, she can give better teaching to the student than you.
actually
That was the reason that she was put at serial number
the
1.
guidelines 2001, my lord, do not talk of the merit list, preparation of the merit list.
Sir,
It is
sir,
the
the same Am Sabha which picked you up had made this merit list. You cannot ignore the merit list and accept the unanimous decision to appoint you. Either you accept the entire paper.
They have not assigned reason also as to why first more merited candidate name has been ignored.
yes, my lord, the
Such reasons are supported by you, that she is not resident of that ward.
my lord, may I pray for some time, my lord, so that because this is a statement I have made, my lord,
No,
on
we have to go by record. Am Sabha record is suffice that they have manipulated while selecting you.
my lord, that was the anonymous decision of the Am Sabha.
Correct.
As,
How can they take such a decision?
do you accept that it was a correct decision?
And my lord, if your lordship
Leave
kindly
aside your
see,
client.
my lord, clause 2 of the guideline, it says, if your lordship kindly see,
You cannot.
All right, sir.
better this paper.
Let them pick you from the list. They must assign reason as to why more merited candidate is not eligible. They are not written.
You will write the judgment.
Dismiss. Brother will write judgment.